Hello, welcome to Penny Silly Thoughts. It's been a long time and hello, welcome to Penny Silly Thoughts. I'm Ajita, and if you want to know a little more about me, make sure to check this link above here. As you might have read the title, I'll give you 5 basic tips to start your career as a blogger. So without any delay, let's get started. So the number one point would be starting your own website. Now I know there are many websites that offer free space for writing like Tumblr, WordPress and many more. But I would suggest to create your own website, host your own domain so that it is completely under your control if you want to start monetizing from it, and also the URL if you want the URL to be of your choice. When you have your own website and you have more freedom to style it according to your own taste. The second most important part is understanding and knowing your content. There are many cases, and even I am one of them, when you don't know what particular category of content you want to write for. In that case, make different categories in your blog and just write whatever you have in your mind. But make sure that when you start writing, you have content ready for next few weeks or next few days so that you post a consistent content. Consistency is a very important aspect when you start professional blogging. It might be difficult to maintain, but in the initial days I would suggest that you post consistent content so that your audience knows when your post is going to be out and they make sure to read it. The third important aspect is not just simply narrating stories, but understanding how your post or how your blog can help your readers. Providing tips, tricks, or tutorials, or itineraries if you're a travel blogger, or something motivational. If you're providing some kind of help to your audience, they are more likely to come back to your blog again and read your content if it helps them. If it is just narrating stories, it is still fine, but I would say that is more for a personal blogging or maintaining a personal journal kind of thing. But the readers should be able to use the information that you provide. The fourth aspect is reading existing blog posts. Now I know that you are sure that you write good content, and I'm sure you do write good content. That's why you started thinking of being a blogger. But reading others' content would help you understand what kind of content readers look for and how you should style your content in a way that matches your personality. You will understand how to divide your content in logical sections so that they are easy to read and easy to grasp rather than looking all through the blog. And these things you will learn as and when you read more content. That will help you get an idea of how you should arrange your content. The last and again one of the most important aspect is reaching out your target readers or audience. Now for that you need to share your post or market your post through as many channels as possible, because there are many posts that are published, many articles that are written on a single day. And to push your post to the highest level, apart from the technicalities involved that I'll discuss in another vlog, you can start with sharing your post with as many people as possible so that the rating is improved and you get more audience in return. These are the basic steps to get you started your career, but there are many aspects involved once you start blogging, like monetizing your blog, analyzing your blog and the audience, and improving the SEO of your content. These things will come eventually once you have a basic setup ready, and I will discuss these tips in another vlog. But for now, yeah, follow these 5 steps and you are good to go, and all the best. That's it for this video, and I hope it helps you in some other way. Good luck with your new blog. I'll see you really soon, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment if you have any queries. I'll see you really soon. Bye.